Hello and welcome to Zimbabwe Media. In other stories, Hollywood star Priyanka Chopra has revealed that she once tried Zimbabwe's famous Mopane worms and actually enjoyed them. The actress has said that the traditional delicacy known locally as Mopane worms, amacimbi or madora, can be prepared in different ways, and she has tasted them before. Well, I've eaten worms before. It's a delicacy from Zimbabwe called Mopane worms, as she said. If I went back to Zimbabwe, I would have it again.
It's a tricky one. I have eaten worms before. It's a delicacy from Zimbabwe called Mopane worms.
Oh my gosh.
And they're made into a curry with rice. They're made in different ways. So I have tried them. And why I said I eat worms is if I went back to Zimbabwe and I had to have them again, I would say yes.
Wow, all right.
For more stories, please do like and subscribe.